What's up, everybody? This is Elmo with Cyberschool Fact has a 1 here, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I just got a package in the mail from Etsy. This is the very first item I got from there, so we're going to go ahead and open it here. So that being said, let's get started. There we go. And here it is. A Sesame Street face mask. The seller I got this from also makes a lot of other custom masks, so I decided to go ahead and pick this one out. Because, you know. Well, that's it for the entire unboxing video. See you guys next time for a next me update or unboxing video. Now it's another exciting video from Elmo with Cyberschool Fact 2001. Thanks for watching and stay safe.